The moment that I knew that I was going to build an Amazon business was I was dating my now wife, Jennifer, and we had found out that FBA was even a thing. And it sounded too good to be true because we could just send things into their warehouse and then they would handle all the fulfillment, the logistics, basically leverage their overhead. And I said, this doesn't work, right? But let's try it. So we bought some things at a random store that I had found on discount, and we sent them in. And within the first day of them checking in at Amazon, they sold. And I said, okay, we need to figure out what we're going to sell. This is a business we can scale. We need to become Amazon sellers. And from then on, we never looked back. We did over $100,000 our third month selling on Amazon, and we've never looked back since then.